Hi guys, welcome back to my channel JoSum Vlogs. I am Jo and today is the 8th day of the 40 days challenge. This seems so long guys. Okay, anyways, I'm very glad that I took up this challenge. So today I'm going to make the whole wheat vermicelli with basil. I'm using different kinds of bell peppers to cook this one, but the basic flavor will be of basil. Let's see how it's made. Boil the whole grain vermicelli in the hot water for 4 to 5 minutes like this. Close the lid and leave it for like 4 to 5 minutes. There you go guys, it's perfectly cooked in 4 minutes. 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add some onions and some bell peppers and some mini bell peppers and finally some spring onions. Leave half for garnishing. Add some salt to taste, a tablespoon chili paste, sriracha sauce, and mix these all well. Half a cup of basil. Now add the whole wheat vermicelli. There you go guys, we are almost done. Add the leftover spring onions. The very tasty whole wheat rice vermicelli with basil is ready. So my today's 2 cents is keep smiling guys. Smile increases your face value and also it makes you look so beautiful. So keep smiling, be happy and healthy, okay? That's my 2 cents. A short one this time, but very effective. So keep smiling. I'll keep the video a little short today because I have some work to do. I need to get going. So until I see you guys in my next vlog, take care. Bye-bye.